Hello lovelies, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my turmeric and honey soap. This is a cold process soap. So in here I've got my shea butter and cocoa butter from the motherland Ghana. I've got my sodium hydroxide in here. I've got my distilled water and I've got my oils. I'm using olive oil and coconut oil. So I'm going to melt my butters and then dissolve the sodium hydroxide in my distilled water. Okay, so I'll be right back. So this is my lye water. I've got turmeric and honey in the water. I usually put my turmeric in my oil phase, but today I decided to put it in my lye solution, which is very low in temperature. Let's check. It's 40 degrees Celsius. So it's I'm sure it's not going to burn it or so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to pour it in my oils. Then I will blend it together. I'm pouring my lye solution into my oils. Like I said before, this soap is a very big batch that I'm doing for a client. Honey and turmeric soap. So I'm going to use my big spatula to stir first before I use my blender for tracing. Okay. So in here I've got my essential oil. I'm using tea tree essential oil from Mystic Moment and lavender oil, essential oil from Mystic Moment as well. So I've got it in my kaolin clay. Kaolin clay helps the fragrance or essential oil to stay in our soaps and also give a silky smooth on the skin. Yeah, so I love using kaolin clay in my soap. So I'll put it in. The soap is in light trays. So I'll mix it properly before we get into the full trays here. So at this moment I'll use my spatula again to mix my kaolin and essential oil in my liquid soap. Okay, use the blender now. So my soap is mixed. It's on trays. So I'm going to pour it into my tray here, my soap mold. This I made it especially for my soaps, which is a good idea. It takes soap. It's quite stressful, but it's worth it. So lovelies, this is my turmeric and honey soap done. I'm going to cover it up. So this is it. That's how it looks like. I'll cover it up with my blanket and everything for 24 hours. Then we'll see if it's okay to cut. Then I will let you know how it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and comment if you want me to do any soap or any other thing. Please thumbs up if you like it, and see you when we cut it. Bye. Hello guys, so after 24 hours, this is how our soap it's like. We've cut it through now, and this is how it looks like. So our turmeric and honey, this is how it looks. So we're going to dry it for 4 weeks to 6 weeks before it can be used. Thank you for watching. Share the video with your friends and family, and please comment if you want me to do any soap. Thank you.